Yesterday I explained about idempotent and nilpotent, and what I explained? Orthogonal, right? Now here we do problems based on that. Okay, we'll solve the questions based on that. Then we will do that problems. So our matrices topic will be complete after completing these all. So we'll do these problems later. First of all, we'll do the problems related to nilpotent, idempotent now. Okay. Now A is equal to 4 minus 1, 2 minus 3. Then A is equal to which matrix is asking. So can you find out? So now we will find here A square value. Let's see which one is what. A square is equal to what you get, A into A. So A of 4 minus 1, 12 minus 3 into 4 minus 1, 12 minus 3. If I multiply this, 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16 minus 1 2s are 12, 12 4s are 48 minus 3 4s are 48, 36. Right, next 4 ones are minus 4 plus 3 minus 12 plus 9. So this is, you are going to get 4 minus 1, 12 minus 3. So A square is equal to A. So we can say idempotent matrix. Okay. Let's see this question. Here question is given, if A, B are two idempotent matrices. Okay, A and B are two idempotent matrices, and AB is equal to BA is equal to 0. AB product, B product 0. Then A plus B is what? See, involuntary matrix means what? Involuntary matrix means A square is equal to idempotent means A square equal to A. Orthogonal means A into A transpose equal to I. Nilpotent means A power n equal to 0. So now we will see idempotent. Involuntary, before that idempotent we'll see. Check first idempotent. So A plus B, why I am checking this means they given A, B, B A 0. Right. A plus B whole square. Actually this is one matrix. A square should be what? A square equal to what? A. So A plus B whole square I can write, what is the formula? A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. This is in matrix, not 2AB, in matrices. So A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. So now here they given that, what is they given? AB is equal to 0 they given, BA is equal to 0 they given. So what are you going to get here? A square plus B square. Correct? Right? So A plus B whole square is equal to, you are getting A square plus B square. Idempotent matrix, na? A square equal to A. Idempotent matrix, because A and B are idempotent. A square equal to A, B square is equal to B. So I can replace here A plus B. So A plus B whole square equal to A plus B. So the matrix is idempotent matrix. So next question is saying that let A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Then that such that A square equal to 0. A square equal to 0 means which matrix? Nilpotent matrix. Then trace of A is equal to what is asked. Okay. So let us take, is given 2 by 2 matrix. So let us take A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Then after A square equal to 0 they given. So A square is nothing but A into A. So A is what here? A, B, C, D into A, B, C, D. We are going to multiply this. What I am going to here? A into A square plus B into C, BC. Right? So where C into A, CA plus C into D, CD. Now A into B, AB, plus B into D, BD, C into B, BC, plus D into D, D square. Okay, this is what you are going to get as A square. Okay, this is what A square matrix. So what is saying here? A square equal to 0 they given. It means that A square plus BC, AB plus BD, CA plus CD, BC plus D square, this is equal to 0. 0 means what? 0, 0, 0, 0. O matrix means 2 by 2 matrix we can use. If you want, see here, for identity matrices, order we can take according to given condition. So equivalent, the corresponding elements will be equalated. So what I get here? A square plus BC is equal to 0. AB plus BD is equal to 0. CA plus CD is equal to 0. BC plus D square is equal to 0. All you are getting? Now what do you do here? Here any common? No. Here we do one thing. Here I can take B common. I can take B common. So A plus D is equal to 0. Product of two things is 0. Either B is equal to 0 or A plus D equal to 0. Any one chance will be there. So here if I take, I will tell you. Here anything common? No. Here C can be taken common. So A plus D is equal to 0. Okay. It means that either C is equal to 0 or A plus D equal to 0. So if C is 0 here, if A plus D is not equal to 0, suppose we are thinking like that. And here both, I think both can be also 0 happens. Right here. So B is equal to 0 or A plus D equal to 0. Suppose if C is 0, B is 0, right? So if I substitute in this, if B is 0, if I substitute in this, and C is 0, if I substitute, D also you will get 0. Right? If C is 0, B 0, if I substitute, I will get D 0. And here if I substitute, here B 0 and C 0 in this, I will get A 0. Finally what you are getting? 0, 0, 0. It means this matrix you are getting 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the trace of the matrix? Trace of the matrix will be, trace of A is A plus D. Right? A plus D. So if I am saying here, if C is 0 or A plus D is 0, anything, A into B is 0 means A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. So A plus, if I am not taking this is 0, then C 0 cases all getting 0. In this case, if I am not taking this is 0, then what is happening? All you are getting 0 only. If I am not taking this is 0, C I am getting 0. If I am not getting here 0, then B I am getting 0. Like at that time also you are getting 0 answer. And if I take 0 also, you will get 0 only, trace of. So finally the answer will be what? 0. See here, this first question. So what is they given? A is equal to, see any function, see listen here, polynomial matrix. Polynomial matrix means, what is polynomial matrix? Suppose polynomial in X, okay, is equal to something, tell me something, x cube minus x square plus A is, suppose 2 is there, suppose this is the polynomial in X. So if I write polynomial A matrix, then in the place of X, A cube minus A square plus 2 I'll write. So polynomial X is 0, then this value also 0. Right? So such kind of matrices we called as polynomial matrices. Okay? See the question here. A is equal to the given. A is equal to the given that 1 minus 2, 4, 5. F of t is equal to the given t square minus 3t plus 7. We have to find the value of f of a plus 3, 6 minus 12 minus 9, right? Right, we have to find this. Okay. See here, A is given this matrix. F of t means polynomial in t. F of t means polynomial in t. Okay, f of t they given, then f of a plus this value you have to find. So what do you do here? First take the f of t. What is f of t here? T square minus 3t plus 7. Okay. F of a, what will you get here? F of a will be, you get as a square minus 3a plus 7. It means you have to find a square value. First a square is equal to what here? A into a. So what is a here? 1 minus 2, 4, 5 into 1 minus 2, 4, 5. Okay, we will multiply now. Right? So if you multiply, what you get? 1 ones are 1 minus 8, 4 ones are 4 plus 20. Correct? Next what you get? What's you get? क्या सर भूल गए? 1 into minus 2 plus minus 10 minus 8 plus 25. Correct? कभी कभी भूल जाते हो. See here. Next what you get? minus 7 minus 12 24 17. Okay, a square you got. A square after what you write here? 3a. So we'll find complete. We'll find direct. Right? F of a is equal to, we write as a square minus 3a plus 7. A square you got how much? Minus 7 minus 12 24 17 minus 3 times of a matrix. 1 minus 2 4 5 plus 7 is there, na? How you will write this 7? This we write as 7i. Right? We write this is as 7i. So 7 into I. 1 0 0 1. Okay. So what you get here? Minus 7 minus 12 24 17. We multiply inside. Minus 3 6. No, minus 6, no? Yeah, minus is there. Only 3 multiply. 3 minus 6, 12, 15, right? And you get here 7 0 0 7. Correct? Understand? Understood or no? Sure? Right. So this is equal to minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. Minus 10 plus 7 minus 3. Oh, minus 12 minus 6 minus 18. Right? Getting it?
Minus 12 plus 6.
Testing. Minus 12 plus 6 plus 0. I'll write 24 minus 12 plus 0. Right. 17 minus 15 plus 7. So finally you are getting how much? Minus 3 minus 6 12 9. So this is you got. My final answer will be what? Answer will be minus 3 minus 6 12 9 plus this one. So that is how much? 3 6 minus 12 minus 9. So you are getting how much? 0 0 0 0. Totally 0. Okay. Which one you want? Should I this or this? Both you want? Both. So here A is equal to the given what? A, B, C, D. Next. I is equal to 1001. I think this is equal to symbol. A square minus a plus d into I is equal to BC minus AD into I. And this will be in fill in the blank. Okay, right? So how to do this one? We'll see, prove that this is the problem, prove that problem. Okay, I'll explain both. Okay, now first what we do here, we do LHS and then we'll see RHS. So LHS is what? LHS is equal to A square. A square meaning is what? A into A. First we do A square. So A square is equal to what I am going to get here? A, B, C, D into A, B, C, D. Let's multiply this. So what I get here? A into A square plus B into C, BC. A into B, AB plus BD. C into A, CA plus CD. Correct, na? Right? Right, next. What is that? CB plus D square. So this is A square value. Correct? Now what you have to do next? A plus D into I. So A plus D into I. It means what? A plus D into 1 0 0 1. Correct? If we multiply this, I get what here? A plus D 0 0 A plus D I'll get. Correct? Then what you have to do? A square minus A plus D into I have to do. So A square is what? A square plus BC, AB plus BD, CA plus CD, CB plus D square minus A plus D 0 0 A plus D. Right? So if I subtract this, what I get? Not getting. A square plus BC minus A minus D 0. No. AB plus BD. Here CA plus CD. Here CB plus D square minus A minus D. Correct, na? Subtracted. This one is subtracted this one subtracted this one subtracted this one subtracted this. But what I have to get? Question is given A plus D into A. Okay. So what do you do here? This we have to erase. A plus D into A, not I. So A plus D into A is what? A, B, C, D. Correct? Now you multiply. If you multiply, what do you get here? A plus D into A, that I get A square plus AD. A square plus AD. Okay. Now if I multiply this, AB plus BD. Right? Now AC plus CD. Here AD plus D square. Correct? Now what you have to do? You have to do subtraction of these both.
Yes.
Right? So A square minus A plus D into A, not I. Here I wrote wrong. Then what do you get? This I can write as A square is A square plus BC, AB plus BD, CA plus CD, CB plus D square minus A square plus AD AB plus BD, CA plus CD, AD plus D square. We are doing subtraction. तो ये है ना, ये सेम है, this is same, this is same. You get 0. So what do you get here? A square plus BC, okay, minus this, minus A square minus AD. And this what you get here? AB plus BD minus AB plus BD. CA plus CD minus CA plus CD. CB plus D square minus AD minus D square. Right? A square again. Okay. Okay. So what is left here? BC minus AD 0 0. CB minus AD. Right now? Sure? Okay, so what do you get here? BC minus AD 0 0, BC minus AD. Okay, so you can now take out common. BC minus AD you take common, so you get 1 0 0 1, and that is nothing but BC minus AD into I. This value is I. So this whole into. Right? Tejashwini understood? This girl, what is your name? Smriti understood? Oh. Okay. So A is equal to the given 4 by 3 order, B is equal to the given 4 by 5 order, C is equal to the given 7 by 3 order. You have to find that order of these things. What is the order of A, B into C? Let's see here. What is the order of? We have to find what is the order of the matrix AB into C. What will be the order of this matrix? What is the order of A dash, B dash into C dash? Okay. So let's see. So AB into C means what we will do here. First we take orders. Okay. What is first we have to do AB multiplication. So AB multiplication. A means what here? 4 by 3. B means what here? 4 by 5. Correct?